if you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino, and on this episode, I'm back at Kmart. I'm here for one main reason, and that reason is to pick myself up an air fryer. So let's get into this episode. All right, so I'm in the air fryer aisle. Let's have a look at what they've got here. Some of these look way too big, and there's some that look way too small. So we'll see what they've got. So now there's this one here, which probably doesn't use much power, $39. It just looks like it wouldn't do much, and for Adam and I don't think that's going to work. So we want to actually cook a meal for two in it when we're camping, so I don't think that's going to work. Then we come up to like this one here. This actually probably would be great to cook in, but probably just a bit too big for traveling, so we want something kind of in the middle. Then they also got this one, which looks huge inside. That one's $79, and then you've got this one here. Well, looks like there's nothing less, display only. That's a double, but definitely not going that one. And then there are these ones. My dad got one of these, and he loves it. He thinks it's great. The rotisserie works fantastic, but I still don't. I may as well take my own oven with him. It's that big. But yeah, that's his recommendation. All right, I think I found the one for us, and it's 59 bucks. Pretty good price. Let me get it down so you can have a look at it. But it's got digital buttons, but it looks about the right size. This is 3.75 litre. But anyway, let's get the air fryer down and have a look. All right, I think the dust comes for free. And then your basket, see how it's like, it's a nice size. And you can fill it right. It says fill, or max for me, to there. And then you can slide this back for cleaning and take out that whole thing, so you can clean it, and then obviously you're going to still have to wipe that out as well. All right, so that's the first thing on the shopping list done. We're definitely going to get one of these for 59 bucks. All right, to go with your new air fryer, you can pick up an air fryer Woman's Weekly cookbook. Has heaps of different recipes. Look at this. I might have to pick one of these up for myself. All right, back in the car, got the air fryer. Let's go home, give it a test spin. I wouldn't mind doing a camp classic, but I'll tell you a little bit about that once we get home, and let's see what Adam thinks also. All right, so we're home now. We've unboxed it. Twyla likes it. Do you like it, Twyla? Yes, yes. All right, cool. So now what I was thinking, to give it a test run, I will show you how to make something quick and easy that you can make on the next camping trip. And then I'll get Adam to come in and give it a taste test, and let's see what he thinks. So I'm gonna make some pizza pockets, and we'll see what Adam thinks. What ingredients do you need? I've gone out and got this short crust pastry, cheese, just grated cheese, some salami, capsicum, and then I've got the sauce. Now it's just a tomato paste. I'm using a bit of garlic and some Italian herbs. Now just think, anything on a pizza that you would normally put on, you can add. So you can add whatever you want, but I'm just sticking with this today. I've got my sheet of pastry here. Now all I've done is cut it in half, and then I'm gonna cut it in half again. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you how to put it together. So we're gonna have two pieces cut, that's ready to go, so they literally fit on top of each other. And now we just need to mix up our tomato paste and our herbs. So we can just pop in much herbs as you want. If you want to add a little bit of chili to this too, go for it. So that's my Italian mixed herbs in. Then I'm gonna need both hands for this. But oh, wait a second, let's see if I can do it. So just grab your garlic, Pop that in and then give that a good mix around. Obviously, this is only a small amount. If you're making quite a few of them, you might need more, but otherwise, this is enough for what I'm doing. So first, you just want to add your tomato paste. So let's get that on there. Go as thick as you want. And you don't want to go all the way to the edges because we will be sealing this in because it is going to be a pizza pocket. Now that you get tomato paste on, you just want to go in with, well, it doesn't really matter to be honest. I'm going to go in my capsicum. So there we go, there's the capsicum. Now you can see Twyla there. She's wanting to come in and get some for herself. Now I'm just going to go in with the salami. Again, if you want to use ham, or whatever meats you want. You might want to go mortadella, who knows? But there you go. So there's my salami. Then obviously the cheese. I'm going to pop that on top. Look how good that looks. And you want to get a little bit generous with the cheese, of course. You want that cheese to ooze out when you pop it open. Now we want to get our top and put it over the top like so. Let me just, there we go. And then we need to go get a fork. All right, now what I'm going to do, I've got a little bit of milk here. I'm just going to run my finger around the full edge with a bit of milk just to make sure that does stick down when we press it with a fork. Now I've done that, I'm just going to press it like so to join it all. Here we go. All right, I'm pretty happy with this. Now what we're just going to do is I'm going to go poke. Well, make sure it goes through. Poke, 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 poke. And one more. Done. All right, our pizza pocket is ready to go inside the air fryer. We're just going to heat the air fryer up. All right, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to find something that looks like pastry on here. I'm just going to go that cake. Oh, no, you don't do that. That's right. It's mode until you get to the cake. Got the cake, go. Now, nothing's in there at the moment. It's just going to warm up a little bit. All right, that's only been on for a minute. It's already nice and hot in there. Now, I'm just going to use a bit of flour to line my base. And trust me, this works. All right, and then in goes the pizza pocket on top of that flour. Look at that. Now, we're doing this in 5-minute intervals. So we get it back on, it's on, and every 5 minutes I'm going to check it until I'm happy with it. All right, it's been 5 minutes, and I'm just going to give it a little brush of my milk across the top, just to make it golden brown. In tonight's episode, I thought I'd just jump on and share some photos of you. Kim and Carol, our long-time subscribers, are away at the moment and they've been wearing their merch everywhere. Look at Kim. He's in his hoodie, his wind cheater, and even been taking his tote bag around. Carol loves her cushions that she got for her van of Twyla. And thank you guys for all your support over years now. They're always on our live chats at 7 on a Wednesday and 5 on a Sunday. So guys, if you want any of our merch, you can scan the QR code or go down the bottom and it will take you to buy that merch. All right, guys, let's get back to this episode. All right, look at that. I think it's done. And see how the flour down the bottom, look at this, does not stick. So good. Love that idea. All right, so welcome to the episode, Adam.
Here for the best bit.
Yeah, of course. Cut it in half. Now we should really...
I'll do it in quarters.
Oh, in quarters? Look, I think Twyla wants some. All right, how's it look?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah?
Okay, now the taste test.
Oh, it's probably boiling. It's probably bloody boiling.
It's really hot, which is a good idea.
Yeah?
It actually tastes really good. Yeah.
What would you add to it if you could add something to it? Do you reckon the ham would be better or do you like the salami better?
Well, I know you use tasty cheese.
Yeah.
So I think mozzarella will be better.
Oh, mozzarella. Yeah.
And I think some fresh parsley.
Oh, I knew you'd say that. Adam really wanted some fresh parsley. And I'm like, you know me, I'm an Aussie. I love my Italian herbs. to keep it simple for us normal everyday people who don't cook like an Italian. Oh, that's good. I'm glad you like it. And there you go. That's the rest of it. Bon appetit. Now, guys, stay tuned this Sunday. We've got another cans episode coming up. Can't wait to show you this. We've got some very, very special, I'll say 3 people coming along. Or should I say loosely, 2 people, loosely, an animal. Coming to crash our cans adventure. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. If you're new to our channel, make sure you go down the bottom and like and subscribe. And in the near future, after the can specials, we do have an awesome air frying episode coming up where I do a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a dessert for Adam. So you can see if he likes it or not. And this is what you asked for, so I'm doing it.
And I'm eating it.
Yes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you Sunday night at 5 p.m.
See you guys.
See you guys.